Hey guys, what's up? Today I bring to you a very interesting tech product. So let's do the unboxing and go through the details about the utility of this particular product. Especially this is very relevant in the current times, in the COVID times that we are living in, and this is going to have a meaningful existence in your living room. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing of the product, which is called, presenting to you, barrel exhaust UV bag. So here it is. This is the box that the makers have delivered it to me. So this is the UV bag's packaging, the way it has come. So as you can see, it has stickers from the product makers called the barrel exhaust. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing now. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this particular utility, which is the ultraviolet bag or the UV bag from barrel exhaust. Stickers are out. Alright, so this is the bag. This is the power source, looks like. There is a grill sort of thing. Then there you have the bag as such. This is the barrel electric sterilization box UVC bag. Germicidal it says. Alright. So there you go. This is how it looks from inside. Silver coating kind of. It says QC verified. This is the UVC bag, guys, which can sterilize any of your household products, electronics. It could be a laptop, it could be the post, or it could be your grocery that I might have purchased. So this is the bag, this is how it looks. So guys, so this is the stand on which you can keep your stuff which you want to sterilize. In this particular package, it contains basically a tube light sort of thing, which need to be placed in the tube placeholder, which will ultimately emit the ultraviolet rays. So this is the tube, the UV tube from Philips that they are basically using it. This is how it looks like. And then this particular thing is the tube light holder. Just unwrapped it. This is how it looks like. Alright, so this particular UVC stand, you just need to place it here. It has a velcro over here, so I think you just need to wrap it up this way. Alright, so there you can see I just secured it over here, tight and secure. Alright, so this particular tube goes inside the tube light, the UVC tube as such. So as you can see, again you just turn it out so that it is now tight and secure. This is how the arrangement is. And then this particular wire basically comes out this way so that you can turn it on. The cable is provided a little short, so, and there is a velcro over here. You just have to cover it up this way. So there's a velcro here, so it sits securely like this. So the cable is a little short. That's the only thing that I'm noticing. So this barrel exhaust germicidal bag, which is based on ultraviolet, can be used for sanitizing or sterilizing your grocery items that you get it, or online delivery packets that you get, or you can even sterilize your gadgets like mobile phones, laptops, or you can even sterilize your helmets or even you can basically use it for sterilizing your masks or gloves and so on. You can keep the vegetables and fruits as well for doing the sterilization, but you need to keep in mind that there is a time limit of 15 minutes within which you need to take it out. So you need to switch off the device and then take it out. Okay, now let's look at a live demo of the sterilization process. So guys, this is the Barrel Electric sterilization box. So as you can see, I have a few grocery items here, some packets of lemon and these Sofit soya milk and all that. So let's keep this inside and then let's see how the sterilization process happens. So let's go ahead and keep this inside now. So this is how you basically have to lift the lid. Yeah, this is how it's looking like. You just can keep it here. This Sofit also, I just kept it there. Yeah. The grill is present because your UV rays can also sterilize the bottom of the products. Otherwise, if you keep it right at the bottom, it may not be able to reach out that particular surface. So you cover it up nicely with this Velcro that they have provided, right? So you can cover it up like this. It's connected. So I just need to switch it on. So you need to keep the items for sterilization for a maximum of 15 minutes. You can use a timer or something so that you can note down the time. And the max that you can keep is about 30 minutes. But it's advisable to just use it for 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and turn on the switch now. So the sterilization process hopefully has begun. So you're not supposed to open the box when the sterilization process is in progress. So the grocery items are inside. So once the 15 minutes are up, all you can do is just turn off the switch and then open the lid. You should never open the lid while the switch is turned on. It's time to take out the items that I had kept inside for sterilization. Let's switch it off. Let's turn it off. And for safety, let's disconnect this. I just disconnected the box and then its power is cut off. So now let's just open it up. There you go. So the items were inside and the sterilization process is now completed. So your grocery items are now safe for utilization. Ultraviolet rays emitted by this particular device are not safe for human body, especially your eyes and skin. So you need to ensure that before you open the lid in order to take out the items, you need to make sure that you turn off the device first and then open the lid and then consume the products. My opinion about this particular product is that definitely this is a really good utility, especially in today's times when the germicides and the viral infections are rampant. So these kind of devices provide you a fearless way of utilizing the products or the packets that you receive through online delivery. It is unfortunate that the fear factor that was there in the beginning of the pandemic during the April to June time, basically that fear factor has reduced, and the household items which people used to receive online, they used to thoroughly wash it and they used to basically disinfect it and so on. But nowadays, I think people have taken it a bit for granted and a little bit relaxed about it, which is not really a good thing. Products like these, such as the UV sterilizer bag as provided by Barrel Exhaust, are a really good utility so that you can fearlessly utilize the packets that you receive from online shopping. Even the vegetables and the fruits that you get from online, you can easily sterilize them just by placing these items inside this particular bag and sterilizing it for about 15 minutes. You should be good to go. Unlike the older ways where you had to take each packet out and disinfect it, either put a disinfectant spray or you would have to wash it with water and soap and so on. So this serves as a really good alternative to easily sterilize the products. In fact, even your electronic gadgets such as your mobile phone screens, which are most susceptible for having germicides or viruses on their surfaces, can be easily cleaned out and you can use them fearlessly with confidence. So this particular UV sterilization bag from Barrel Exhaust is available on their website called barrelexhaust.com. You can purchase it online, or you can also purchase it from amazon.in by searching for the Barrel Exhaust UVC bag. Thanks to Barrel Exhaust, the company who have provided me with this package and gave me this opportunity to go through about the product and provide my unbiased review about it. I would like to end today's video by thanking Barrel Exhaust. I'll catch you in my next tech video. Till then, it's goodbye from Madhukar. Bye bye.